How's it going, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be taking you on a tour through Europe. I'm standing in the middle of a field, in the middle of the countryside in northern Poland. It doesn't get better than this. It's a perfect day. The sun is shining. I haven't fallen, and I'm just riding through everywhere. Completely amazing. I'm having the best time right now. So I'm just enjoying Poland so much. I will try to keep getting more videos, try to stay on top of it, but it is hard when you're having this much fun. Although it was completely unplanned, I'm so thankful for the time I got to spend enjoying Poland and seeing some of these incredible places that I would never have been able to get to otherwise. It just goes to show, keep an open mind and incredible opportunities will open up to you around every turn.